going to come. Elizabeth's going to come for a checkup. So let's wait. Oh, I hear a knock on the door. That must be her. Come on in. Welcome. Please take a seat. Let's start by checking up your ears, okay? Milk? Okay, this ear is fine. This one too. Good job. Let's check your temperature, okay? Okay, it's ready. It beeped. You're doing all right. Okay, let me see. What happened here? What happened here? What is that? Let me take a check. Okay, that's a big scratch. Let's put you a bandage before your boo-boo gets better. Okay, there we go. You should be nice and happy, okay? Don't take it off just for a couple of 2 days. Let's check your heart. Ready? All right. You want to hear your heart? Put it right here. It's nice and healthy, your heart. Okay. Time to check out your teeth. Open wide and lay down. Say ah. No bite, no bite. Don't wash your hands before you eat. Eat healthy fruit and do exercise every day. You need to wash your hands. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Doctors too. Scrub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dub-dub, up-a-dub-dub-dub-dub. Time to clean your hands in the middle. Amazing! Time to check your eyes. You have pretty big eyes. This eye is fine. This eye is fine too. Your eyes are nice and healthy. And you can see. You need a shot for today. And you need a shot. Office, the doctor will have to check your ears, eyes, mouth, and nose. You have to do exercise every day, and sleep well, and eat healthy fruit, and wash your hands before you eat. Sleep 10 hours a day. Okay, kids, bye. Hope to subscribe and like and share with your family and friends this video. Bye! Let's see who's coming for a checkup. Minnie Mouse is your height and see if you're growing right. Okay? Come on, let's see. Stand. Ooh, you're 100. You're eating healthy. Ooh, good job. Let me write that down. Good job. Okay, don't be afraid from the doctors. They'll make sure you're healthy. I'm gonna check your lungs, your heart, and see if they're working right. Ready? Breathe in and out. Good, good. You did a lot of exercise. Do more for your heart. Okay? Breathe in and out. Good job, good job. Now to check your lungs. Ready? Breathe in and out. Good, good. Your lungs are very healthy. I'm gonna check your eyes and ears. Ready? This ear's good, good. Next ear. Good, good. Now your eyes. Open your eyes. Very big. No, your eyes. Your eyes very big. Your eyes. Your eyes. Open them. Open them. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Don't be afraid. It's okay. Good, good. You have very healthy eyes and ears. Good job. It's healthy. Open wide. Good, good, good. Very good. Very good. Ooh, no shots for today. Yay! No shots for today. Now we're done. Well, let me check if everything went